This is the WTI daily market update for Wednesday, the 12th of May, 2021. Following Tuesday's settlement at 65.28 area, we saw large two-sided trade into Tuesday's close, minor uptick higher following the API number, but really in essence a balance phase. Market traded back towards the option wall at 65s. There was a minor buy excess there, buying interest, and this resulted in a buy-side breakout through the key daily resistance level, 65.48s, trade to 66 in the London hours before a liquidation break, a flush out of week longs from the high, and then a resumption of the trend higher to 66.31 into the New York Open. From the New York Open, we saw a pullback to 65.61's, large buying interest as sellers trapped there. This drove price higher towards 66.63's, which is at today's average daily range high target, which also aligns with the major structural resistance that we noted in the past couple of days was likely to be revisited following the retest of a key support at 63.90s. When we look at the market structure, it's important to understand the significance of certain structural formations. And when we review the structures in our market profile dashboard, we can gain some insight, more specific insight to specific structural phenomena that occurs. In this particular case, the gap higher open trade. The gap higher open, as we can see from Q2 2013, results in higher closes in approximately 88% of the auctions. This would has occurred rather in 249 cases since the beginning of that Q2 2013. So today's auction is likely to see the same result based on the early response to the gap in today's trade. But again, it's useful having a structural and statistical database from which to analyze the real-time market data. And so the market had opened a gap higher here. And so this pullback, while aggressive seemingly in terms of price, was really serving the function of a pullback towards the prior resistance area, the sellers aggressively entering there but failing to drive price lower. So this was the order flow information to confirm the gap higher structural expectation of price discovery higher in the intraday context. And that's what's occurred thus far. We are trading towards the major structural resistance area. So this area is going to require substantial effort from the buy side to break this level. But as it stands, the shift of the bias yesterday occurred to the buy side, and at this point we have to monitor the structure and order flow developments at this key resistance area to have a better idea of what is to unfold going forward. But the bias remains buy side, barring a new excess or failure at this high.